First time kong na-try tong Ice Hazelnut ng Old Town Coffee way back 2016 pa sa Malaysia. And it tastes so good talaga. Kaya naman it's nice to know na meron na rin sila dito sa Philippines. And they've been here for more than a year na din. Hey cuties! Dahil may errands nga ako dito sa Caloocan ay hindi ko na pinalagpas to finally visit dito sa first branch nila in SM Grand Central. Kakatapos ko nga lang mag-lunch. Kaya I only ordered their Old Town White Coffee Cham over ice for 179 pesos and their Kaya and Butter Toast for 99 pesos. I like their coffee. Masarap tong combination ng coffee and tea. Lasang-lasa mo yung tsaa nila. Pero it's not overpowering. Disappointed lang ako with their Kaya Toast. Sobrang konti ng coconut jam pero sobrang daming butter. Kaya medyo naumay ako after few bites. Babalik ako next time to try their Malaysian dishes naman. Kayo ba? Na-try nyo na rin ba to?